Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just wanted to come on and show you guys, or talk to you guys about envelopes. A lot of people are doing cards, but not so many people are talking about envelopes. So people go to make the cards, and they might not know what to do next. So I just want to show you some of the things that I use in terms of making cards and envelopes. Many of you know I typically only do A2 size cards, which means I use one sheet of cardstock that is 8.5 by 11, and I can make a landscape or portrait style card with this. And let me show you what I mean. So I have a couple of cards sitting on my desk, but landscape or portrait style basically just means, just like if you use a Microsoft Word and you go to print something out, it'll ask you, do you want to print portrait or landscape? So typically that would be portrait style, just straight up and down, and then the other option is landscape style. So it would be kind of going side to side. This is the exact same size card, it's just turned a different way. So I don't want to confuse anybody with that. Same size card, you're using one sheet of cardstock. It just depends on how you lay your card out and how you cut your card. So because I use one sheet of cardstock and I'm using an A2 size card, let me show you the envelopes that I use to go with these cards. Forgive my beat up box, but that's the cards I'm using. So Mead Pro A2 envelopes, white. I honestly cannot remember if I purchased these from Walmart or Amazon, but this is what you need to be looking for. And it's not so much about the brand for me, it's about the size. So you want something that says A2 envelopes. And many of the times, let me see if it'll show you on this box. Yep. It shows you the size that you're looking for. So this is 4 3/8 inches by 5 3/4 inches. Now your cards are typically 4.25 by 5.5, and it'll be the same thing here, but it's 5.5 by 4.25. So this is an A2 card, and the envelope that you'll need to go with that card. Now if anybody's curious, I'll show you how it fits in. So that's the envelope, that's the card, and you see it fits right in here. Now the thing that when I first started, I was using A6 envelopes. So that's an A6 envelope, Pen Plus Gear. This is definitely Walmart brand. These are too big, so let me try to show you that. So these are so big that I can get an A2 inside of an A6. So if you want to mail a card to a friend and you just don't want it in the front envelope, you can put an A2 card inside of an A6. Put an A2 card and envelope inside of an A6 envelope and be able to seal it. Now my A6 envelope is a peel and stick. My A2 envelope is, just a traditional, you have to wet the back of it. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.